Hi, this is Amy of Mastro Stretch, and today we're going to stop headaches and reduce pain from grinding your teeth with this at-home facelift massage. And what you're going to need is a soft foam roller, like this OPTP soft foam roller, and you can get that link in the description. But also, if you have a hard foam roller, what you're going to use is just a yoga mat and roll it up in a yoga mat to make it a little softer. And if you like my channel, please subscribe to it by clicking right here. Okay, so teeth grinding and headaches create tension. Well, teeth grinding can cause headaches, especially in the temple area. And then any tension in the neck, traps, shoulders, shoulder blades can trickle up into your head and cause headaches. So what we're going to do today is massage those areas with the soft foam roller to help reduce those symptoms, but also give yourself a facelift. Sound good? All right, let's get to it. So grab your roller. If you have that hard roller, roll it up in a yoga mat. Otherwise, grab your soft roller. Okay, so we're starting in the neck area. So we're kind of in this half turn position, and we're starting in the neck area. So we just want to start by making some circles on the roller. Then turn the head like you're shaking your head no. And you're feeling this along the neck, along the base of the head, up and down a little bit. So we're going to do one side, compare and do the other side. And you can see that little lift that you're going to get from the massage. Okay, now we're going to turn and go to our jaw. Place the roller on the jaw joint. Do some circles here. And then rock your head forward and back like you're shaking your head no. And then like you're shaking your head yes, up and down. This is super relaxing too. And then open and close your jaw 3 times. And then take your lower jaw and go side to side. Good. All right, now let's go up to the temple. Similar sequence, so circles. Rock forward and back. And then up and down. Good. Now let's go back to the jaw. Let's repeat. Circles. Rock forward and back. Up and down. Open and close. Side to side. Good. All right. And then go back to the neck. Roll back just a little bit. Circles. Shake the head no. Turn the head. Up and down. Should feel like a little tingling. Some little tingling, like a good, blood is getting there. And then slowly come up. Now, if you want to compare, you're going to look at the lips from side to side to see if there's a little difference. You probably notice a little bit of a lift on this side. So the little peak in the lip probably is a little higher. Even the eyebrow might be arched up. So just see if you notice any differences. I can feel a difference for sure. And then let's go ahead and switch sides. So it does give you a little plumps everything up a little bit. We're going to start with the neck and do circles. Rock forward and back. Up and down. Good. And then let's move to the jaw. And repeat that sequence. So circles. Rock forward and back. Up and down. Open and close the jaw 3 times. And then underbite side to side. Or not underbite, but chew cud. All right, and then move to the temple. Circles. Rock forward and back. Up and down. Okay, and then back to the jaw. Circles. Rock forward and back. Up and down. Open and close. Lower jaw, side to side. Might slowly come off and back to the neck. So just lean back a little bit as you do your circles. Rock forward and back. Up and down. And then slowly come up, nice and relaxed now, right? So that will help head tension, jaw tension, and you get a little facelift. And probably not best to wear earrings when you do that. So look in the mirror, notice if you have a little bit of a facelift now. That's a natural way to get a facelift, get some blood into the area and reduce that jaw tension and head tension that causes headaches. So I hope you enjoyed this. I know I did. If you did, give me a like below, leave a comment saying you love this video, and share it with somebody that you know might enjoy it. And I really appreciate that, because small channels like mine need that those recommendations to other people. All right, guys, until next week, bye for now.